Good morning, family. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be decorating tree number 2 in my office. But first we're going to get started with a nice warm cup of hot chocolate with marshmallows. I hope you enjoyed today's video and get all into the feels of it. Stay tuned to see how I decorate this beautiful tree. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into today's video. Make sure you are nice, warm, and cozy so that you can, feel all the vibes of today's video. So today's video is sponsored by KINGSO trees. They kindly sent this tree out to me, and here I am just going to begin fluffing the tree out. It is a 7.5-foot tree. And it is jet black. It is not a pre-lit tree, so I did have to add lights to the tree, which is totally fine. But I can't wait to share with you guys what and how I'm decorating it. Sort of along the lines of the first tree, but this is tree number 2, and it has a little bit of a different flair, kind of, sort of, but not really. So yeah, I hope you enjoy today's video. Also, the link to KINGSO will be down in the description bar down below in case you want to grab you a tree. And I will also have a discount code down there for you as well so that you can get some coins off. Okay, let's decorate this tree.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better. Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling
its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
Well, that was fun. Yeah, it was fun for me. But look, this side of the tree. Well, first of all, she's not quite chaotic enough. She's not. She's giving coming to chaos, but she's not giving crazy chaos like I like and want. So tomorrow, tomorrow I'll probably go and get a ton more of these picks, because I'm just a pick crazy lady right now. And I'm going to just fill this side over here out. In fact, I'm going to fill the whole tree out with more picks. So this is tree number 2 down. I don't know how many more trees we got to go, but hope you enjoyed this little portion of today's video. I don't think this video so far is long at all, and I don't want y'all to come for me. So I really need to prepare. Let's fix this. Yeah, I need some more picks. She's a beautiful tree, full. I feel like she's a little heavier over here, so I need her to be just ridiculously crazy. Tomorrow will be the day. And check down in the description bar if you're interested in this tree. I think they come in 6 feet, the 7.5 foot, and if I'm not mistaken, the email said a 9 foot. I'm not sure, but the coupon code will be down in the description bar below in case you want to snag you one. Didn't think I would really love a black tree, but she's giving me any color you choose will go with a black tree. First of all, let me just say that. And she's super full, and she's really big. I mean, even in like width. Look at the tree compared to me. And he's up there. He's over there. I might get another one to put over here. I've added the candy, the pink suckers. I wanted to bring in a little bit of pops of pink. Didn't have any luck really finding any pink picks other than the Candyland theme, which I also love, but other than the retro lights. But I didn't see any other whimsical pink picks, so I went with those. I need to find some more of those, because I did buy all they had at the store I went to. And I think that's probably it for tree stuff. And I just used some picks at the top, and he is the centerpiece up top. It's my Mr. Elf, and the one over here. I haven't started actually decorating this room yet. I started with this right here. The 2 little houses and a gold reindeer that I had already. So I just set them here on the lower part of the table, but I haven't, started decorating in here just yet, because we are still in kitchen mode. We're still working on the kitchen full force. Ron started actually building the cabinet doors today for the doors underneath the farmhouse sink. The grout is done. That part is done. And I don't know. I can't think of. I think I may end up using this in here too, though. I don't know if I want to put it in the kitchen or in here and decorate it with a bunch of tchotchke stuff. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks now that the backsplash is done and grouted and ready to go. Ready to go. This is how she looks. You see that waviness there? Got some Christmas decor out here. And just a little coffee set up for now. We are needing a face for this plug thing. Ron has to fix this one over here. And this one over here as well needs a fixing. Not fixing. He has to notch out in the tile for this to secure to the little piece that's in there. So this is how it looks. And then I just have this blinged out vase that I'm using for a utensil holder. And I got my Santa's helper in here for a little pop of red. Butter that we keep out. The fish that I'm about to fry. It's still a little bit chaotic over there because he's working on building these doors. So still a little bit of stuff going on as far as a little bit of chaos. But this is how we are looking right now. Getting there. Starting on the cabinetry. Paint stuff when he gets done with those doors so they can all get painted together. And that'll be this week actually. So I'm pretty darn excited about it. I hope you guys are as well. And this is just kind of an overview of what she looks like. We came up with the solution for the end of the island because there is no stone left from the 2 slabs. So I have an idea. I'm going to insert a picture of it on the screen right now of what this end will look like. So just imagine what I'm going to put on the screen will be here. So it'll close this off just like the waterfall side. And what you are looking at on the screen will be the color. It'll be painted the color of the island. Just the island will be that. Well, wait a minute. Let me rephrase that because I don't want you to think the picture is the color. The piece that I'm going to show you that Ron is going to construct that will go on the island will be the color of the island because the island color is going to be different from the white upper and lower cabinets. Everything in here will be white except for the island will have its own color, and this end piece that I'm putting on the screen for you will be the color of the island. So it'll be one whole piece, which I'm totally fine with, and I think it'll add a little bit of character to the space. And I love, love, love the idea. I'm so glad I searched and searched and searched and found it. But I'm excited about it. So that's the update for the island. Yeah. That's it. Let's start cooking some fish, I guess. Maybe you can cook with me since the kitchen is partially done. So I want to try. This is a sunny lemon pound cake mix. All right, it looks like that. But I don't want to make a pound cake. I'm curious to know what this would taste like in a cupcake form, okay? And so that's what I'm making. I'm going to try them out as cupcakes instead of a lemon pound cake. So it don't call for nothing but 2 eggs, room temperature butter. This is the actual glaze. I ain't gonna use that. I'm gonna use cream cheese icing, and then 1/4 cup of water. So let me get that. And then I'm gonna use the Santa Claus, these cute little Santa Claus cupcakes sleeves. I don't know how many this is gonna make, so I'm gonna just put maybe 6. I'll try to see if I can fill up 6 of them. And then if we can do more, that'll be even better. So, baking with Shannon. So let's mix. Y'all know I think I'm a whole baker. I even got the Santa's helper spoon. So we have our oh, it smells like lemons. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's crack the egg. Crack this egg. And the water. I'm gonna do this first and then come back and add the butter in. It sure doesn't seem like it's enough water, but who am I? Who am I? All I can smell is lemon. And if you know me, you know I love anything lemon. So for dinner, I cooked fish, corn on a cob, and 2 different types of fish, corn on the cob and broccoli. Because broccoli and corn, or broccoli and mashed potatoes and corn, Ron can eat every day. So it calls for 10 tablespoons of butter. That was 8 soft. So I don't guess 2 more will make a difference, but we'll see. It is so creamy. It is so creamy. And just fold this butter in here. Fold it. Look at this. Can you see that? Whoa! I have no idea. Okay, that's everything. So let's mix. I'm gonna try to get them equal amounts in each one. At least make 6 of them, maybe more. What did I do with that? No. Okay. Oh, okay. Run out. Oh.
Your cupcake's timer is done. Your cupcake's timer is done.
You're running down the sides. And they're done.